we are
MBG.
I'm Michelle.
I'm Deborah.
I'm Brenda.
We're going to be singing Selena Gomez, Love You Like a Love Song. It's been said and done, every beautiful thought's been a written song. And I guess right now here's another one. So your melody will play on and on with the best of fun.
You are beautiful, like a dream come alive, incredible, a centerfold miracle, lyrical. You saved my life once again. So I want you to know, baby,
I love you like a love song, baby. I love you like a love song, baby. I love you like a love song, baby. And I keep hitting repeat, 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 repeat.
I love you like a love song, baby. I love you like a love song, baby. I love you like a love song, baby. And I keep hearing repeat, 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 repeat.
Constantly, boy, you play through my mind like a symphony. There's no way to describe what you do to me. You just do to me what you do. And it feels like I've been rescued. I've been set free. I am hypnotized by your destiny. You are magical, lyrical, beautiful.